Hey everyone, it is Tech Wares and today is December 7th, 2024. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into the latest AMD Radeon Software Adrenalin 24.12.1 driver update. This update brings a host of new features, game support, and performance improvements. Let's get started. First off, the Adrenalin 24.12.1 update introduces support for several exciting new games. Whether you're a fan of Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, Dragon Age, the Veilguard, or S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2, Heart of Chornobyl, this update has got you covered. For those of you into AI development, there's some great news. The update adds official support for Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL2, allowing AMD ROC-M software development on Windows systems. This means no more dual boot setups for AMD ROC-M users. The update expands HYPR-Tune support, enabling in-game technologies like AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution and AMD Radeon Anti-Lag 2. This means better performance and smoother gameplay in titles like Horizon Zero Dawn Remastered, MechWarrior 5 Clans, and Red Dead Redemption 2. The update also expands Vulkan extension support, including VK, EXT, Fragment Shader, Interlock, and VK KHR Compute Shader derivatives. This enhances compatibility and performance for Vulkan-based games. AMD has also addressed several performance and stability issues in this update. For example, lower than expected performance while using Llama CPP has been improved, and text feature corruption in the Crew Motorfest has been fixed. However, there are still some known issues. Users might experience intermittent driver timeouts or crashes while playing Warhammer 40K Space Marine 2 on some AMD graphics products. AMD recommends enabling variable graphics memory as a temporary measure. So that's it for today on AMD Radeon Software Adrenalin 24.12.1. If you found this video helpful, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace.